right, guys, first fish on.
First cast I got.
Ryan got it with the red train bait.
Is it in there?
Yeah, it's in there.
Hey guys, APR Outdoor Adventures here, and today we are back at our fishing spot, and we just had a bike ride over here, and it was It was interesting. We brought some new baits. Let's show you what we were working with on the bike.
This monstrosity, I had to ride it.
Yeah,
halfway.
me and Peyton kind of traded off riding. Yeah, we just didn't want to stop again, so we just went through. You can try it again some other time. So we had 2 rod holders on the back,
plus 1 fishing rod.
Plus 1 was sitting right there. We have boots.
We had a speaker, 2 pairs of boots, a tackle box.
Here's the other pair of boots
tackle
right
box,
there.
Fill the baits, 2 tackle boxes actually.
Yep.
Fill the baits. Another one at the bottom, some more stuff, a speaker, and a whole bunch of other stuff.
Yeah, that was our
stuff. Then we had my bag and Alex's bike, and it's crazy, guys.
So it was kind of when you stand up on this thing, it starts wobbling, so it's a bit sketchy. So
weight limit's like 26 pounds, so it can be a little bit sketchy at some time.
So we are trying different baits this time, and we're gonna throw them out, and we're gonna try to see if we can catch something here in the first 5 minutes. If we don't catch anything here in the first 30 minutes, we're gonna go down over there.
We probably might go there right now because last time we came here, Alex caught a bass and a giant blue.
Yeah. So
we'll like right when we were leaving, so it was really nothing.
We'll try. We're gonna try. So we'll have everyone set up their jigs, and we'll show you what they're working with. All right. So I am using a little crankbait. It's the Train air conditioning crankbait. So it's got red, so I'm hoping I'll catch some fish.
Using a bullet weight with a Guggen Squad crankbait.
It's a Guggen Squad crankbait. So let's see if you can get any action out here. Okay. And what are you working with?
Just
can we see what you're working with?
Yeah.
I think they're tangled.
Yeah.
And Alex, what are you working with?
Just a little rider and popper.
Rider crankbait. It's literally just like mine, except it's black and gray. So let's get to it.
All right, guys, first fish on.
First cast I got.
Ryan got it with the red train bait.
Is it in there?
Yeah, it's in there.
Can you go get the pliers?
You gotta go grab some pliers.
Take it, boy.
All right, we'll be back when we get it undone.
Damn.
All right, guys, so now we
got it undone. So let's go put it back.
We gotta really hurry so that he's all right. You gotta make sure he's. There he goes.
And he's good. Okay, let's get back to fishing. Let's see if we can catch a second one. Got the crankbait on. Just caught a fish. Didn't have it on yet. Get ready to fish. See if we can catch another one. I don't know. I think I need to wait on this thing. See if we can get something right off the top. It's right about here where I got one last time. So there's a lot more vegetation than there was last time. So that last fish I caught was the first fish on the day. First cast of the line. And I got him right off the top like this. I'm gonna go put a weight on this. Got the weight, put some weights on, and we'll see how this works with the weights on now. water now. It's staying underwater. Come on. So why did they grab right off the top water? Yeah, but this ain't no frog. We might have a potential fish over here. I'm gonna go cast on the other side. Right there. Something out there.
Alright, so we only caught that one fish, as you saw. We packed up, and we're going to go head over. My bad. We're going to head right over there. So, we caught one fish here. We're going to head over there and go catch something. Alright, so we just made it down here. So, that down over there, the concrete, like right there, and all those pergolas is where we were before, and now we're down here. And it's a bit windy, so we'll see if we can catch anything. We should be able to, because it's in like a little smaller cove place. So here, we're gonna go ahead and you got your camera rolling yet? Nope. Turn it on, we're gonna switch over to your camera. Okay, here we go. There's nothing on the radar.
Oh, I just got hit. Oh, that's a pond. I did. I had a fish.
It got off.
Oh, what is that?
Did you stop or start again?
I started it.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not. It might be a little bit loud or it might be pretty windy. But we're at a new spot now. Down all the way down there was where I caught the big bluegill. And earlier in this video Ryan caught the bass, so I'm gonna throw it on for a few casts and see how it does. Alright. This should be a pretty good view, I think. So gonna get a few casts out of this. I'm just throwing, it's called a Kinshu minnow or something like that. It's essentially just a lipped crankbait, and it's like a kind of like a dipsy diver type of thing, where it dives down and then it, comes back up. So, Alright guys, so I'm actually changing out my bait right now. I just need to grab my pliers out of my backpack and then I'll be ready. I'm probably going to throw on a soft plastic, maybe a fluke or something. So, yeah.
I don't know if you can hear me, but it's really windy out here, and we're going to start throwing the little crankbait. There's a reason I thought we should have stayed down there. You get something? Where?
Today hasn't been too good. We've caught fish here before. I've caught fish here before with other people, but it's just not that good right now. It's pretty windy. I don't know if throwing a crankbait or whatever is the best to do right now, but alright, I'm gonna throw a few more casts and then we might be done. Hopefully we might catch a little fish. Alright, just pretty much just a lot of snags right now because there's so much vegetation here. So I don't know if it's going to be any good here today. Probably not today, but if you come here in the middle of the summer, it'll probably be a little bit better. And so, I don't know, I was wanting to come out here just to fish today, and I'll just not having very much luck right now, so yeah. That's probably gonna be my last cast. Something we might not even catch anything at the spot, but alright guys, I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. Alright, so I'll hand it over to me and Ryan, and we'll be over to the outro and then the final outro.
Last cast here at Conway. I caught that one fish over there, so my count, channel total is up to three fish, 2 bass.
On camera.
Yes, 3 fish, 2 bass, and 1 bluegill. That brings my total to 1 fish. Alex is still at 2.
And then I also have a few fish at my dad's pond, but that doesn't really count.
So next, we're going to be heading over to another pond. So we'll see when we get to that next pond. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. Comment down below subscribe when you're done.
Stay tuned for the 3 parts.
Stay tuned for that next video, and
Sorry if this wasn't super entertaining,
I guess
but I hope it should. It probably should be.
roll the outro.